How to fix iPhone speaker when the sound's too low. If your iPhone speaker sounds weak, muffled, or way too quiet, here are the fastest fixes. First, check your volume buttons. Press volume up while playing music or video. Second, check the speaker grills. Dust and pocket lint can block sound more than you think. Use a soft dry brush or clean toothbrush gently. Never use water or sharp objects. Third, turn off Bluetooth. Your iPhone might still be connected to wireless earbuds or a speaker, sending audio somewhere else. Fourth, restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can fix temporarily auto glitches instantly. Fifth, check if iPhone noise cancellation or sound settings are affecting calls. Also, make sure no focus mode is muting certain alerts. Sixth, remove thick phone cases or covers blocking the bottom speaker area. If sound is still low, test different apps. If only one app sounds quiet, it may be the app setting. If audio crackles or stays weak after all this, the speaker may need repair or cleaning by a technician. Try these steps first and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.